everyone, welcome. It's me again, and I'm here with this really know how I arrived at. I think I like showing you guys that I achieved. Before we get into it, guys, please subscribe to the video, a thumbs up if you like my channel, give them notification bells, post new videos, and yeah, share my link who might be interested in following I upload. So I already went ahead and got my eyebrows done. If you want to see how I get my eyebrows done, I do have a step-by-step tutorial video on how I get my eyebrows done on my channel. Please refer back to that video to watch it. And then going ahead, I'm going to be using a brush and a setting powder to set my eyelid. And then after that, I'll be going over that with an eyeshadow from Urban Decay. And then I will prime my eyelid and get it set for eyeshadow application. So in applying my eyeshadow, I already went ahead and used a masking tape at the edge of my eye because I do not want my eyeshadow to exceed that point where I have that masking tape. And I am using an eyeshadow from Juvia's palette. I'm using a pink eyeshadow from Juvia's palette, and I'm going to be blending that in till I get the exact consistency that I want. Again, I am going in with a blue eyeshadow from Juvia's palette as well, and I am going to be going over that on the pink eyeshadow I already applied, and I'm going to be blending it right into the pink eyeshadow to get the consistency I need and to avoid harsh lines. So now that I have gotten the transition color I need for my crease, I am going to be going over my lid with a concealer to clean it up and then get the shape I want. I will as well go over this concealer with an eye primer from Urban Decay as well to get the same shape. I will just be carving out the exact shape I want with my concealer and my eye primer before I move on to the proper eyeshadow application process. That's done, I will be going back in with that same blue eyeshadow I used earlier for my crease area, and I will be blending that just at the end of my eyelid like so. I will be going in with a green eyeshadow which is from BHcosmetics, I think their first edition, and I will be blending it on my eyelid as well, just in front of the blue eyeshadow I blended earlier. And then I will be making sure that each color graduates into each other so you don't see any harsh lines, just like I am doing in the video. Next, I will be going in with a white eyeshadow, a shimmery white eyeshadow from BHcosmetics first edition as well, and I will be blending that in on my eyelid, at the beginning of my eyelid actually, and then I will blend it in and make sure it graduates into the green color I used earlier, just so you don't see any harsh lines and you don't see where the first color or the second color begins or where it ends. So this is me applying my eyelash with a wide tooth tweezer and my lash, of course, and a mirror. Next, I am going in with my foundation, and I'm going to be applying that all over my face. My foundation is from BHcosmetics or Tara, one of the two, I don't remember. And then I'm going ahead with my highlight, and I'm going to be using concealer from LA Pro to highlight my face and to contour my nose and my T-bone, and the whole contour process. I am going to be using another dark shade of concealer from LA Pro, and then I will pair that up with Tara International Cosmetics powder, a dark shade powder from them, and I'm just going to be using that to contour my face. And for my highlight, I used Benai setting powder to set my face. So here we go, guys, the finished look. I hope you guys like this look. If you love this look, please give my video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Share my channel link with whoever and everyone. I will drop all the information about this video in my description box down below. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial for real though, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.